Hello. This is Chogyal Rinpoche. And yesterday we had a really wonderful third session, which is third week of 100 Days Compassion Challenge. And yesterday we were mostly talking about the first of the Four Noble Truths. Suffering is truth. In Yesterday we were talking about suffering in the sense more like unsatisfaction as a suffering, the dukkha, or what do you call, not enough or never enough as a suffering, or something is wrong, or as a shame, like a, so suffering is truth, or shame is truth, or suffering is exist, shame is exist in each one of us. So I was really yesterday opening myself that I also have a shame within me, and which is fine, and each one of you, you have a shame, and some of you are kind of aware of it, some of you are not aware of it, some of you are trying to kind of avoid, some of you are trying to suppress it, so different stories. So, but the Buddha's message, after he's enlightened, there's a Four Noble Truths. The suffering is truth. So suffering is exist. Acknowledge it, to know it, to accept whatever inside us, as it is. So this is we talked yesterday, and yesterday we give a two homework or assignment for this 100 days compassion for the third session. Number one was the meditation, that which we have been building from the first week, that mindfulness meditation for 10 minutes, the mindful of body, the mindful of breath, and mindful of your thoughts. So it might take 10 minutes, to really kind of grounding and like a kind of building that awareness or mindful of your body, and slowly bring to your breath and then your thoughts. And in the end, to mindful of your thoughts, so that you can apply in a everyday life. Like, are you aware of your, especially this negative thought, the self-criticism, So, but yesterday we continue that meditation. With the second session, we added like start to chant a mantra, instead of keep repeating the negative thoughts, we chant Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum with a rhythm. And every day we chant a mantra when we were free, or when we have a time. And yesterday we add the new meditation, which is really like when you chant the mantra Om Mani Padme, Om Mani Padme, that the white warm light is radiating and expanding within you. And then normally what will people do, like, oh, now white light is expanding, the warm light is expanding, and then I am becoming a pure, so there's nothing, I don't have any problem. But yesterday we did differently. We tried to bring that light of compassion, of mindful or awareness toward our unconscious, the subconscious world, and try to make it conscious. That awareness toward our subconscious. So this is a meditation I really want all of you to practice in the morning, so that chant a mantra, and then increasing the white warm light, and then that white warm light will start to kind of bringing more awareness to your unconscious. So which means you will start to see all the problems within your, let's say, in this subconscious storeroom. So you start to aware all this, whatever you have been kind of hiding or ignoring or suppressing. So it's all out there, and it's okay. Just acknowledge it, accept it, and as it is mine. And it's not like, oh, it's someone's fault, but just to notice and aware it is there. So that's the homework number one. The homework number two was like write a name, like maybe 4 or 5 of your relative, friends, colleague, and just write a name. And especially you think there is a, like how people are perceiving about you. Like you might be thinking like, oh, that person maybe don't like me, because this reason. So write it down, that person name, and what do you think, how he or she is perceiving about you. Do you understand what I mean? And then write it down like 4 or 5 people, and then write them message, or maybe meet them, or call them and ask them directly how they are perceiving you. Sometimes what happens, like a way we think how people are thinking about me, in the reality they might be not really thinking like that about us. Are you getting my point? So this 1 week, really, like, apply it, try it. Maybe you will get a totally different answer. That how he or she is perceiving you might be totally different than how you think, that you're assuming that how he or she is perceiving you, that in your mind. Good luck and see you next week. Thump.